Today I present you the Fiori app Display Document Flow, which is a nice graphical representation of logistic processes. It provides real added value compared to the document flow in the SAP GUI. I will show you two examples. First, you will see a procurement process. In the upper half of the screen, you see the operational document flow, which is the purchase order processing as a logistic process. After creating the purchase order, we receive the delivery from our supplier, and finally the logistic invoice as an incoming invoice from our supplier. The GL document flow in the lower half of the screen shows the sequence of GL documents. If I click on Goods Received or Logistic Invoice, you will see the corresponding FI document marked with a blue frame. The GL document flow includes also the document for the outgoing payment to our supplier, which completes the procurement process. When you click on one element of the document flow, you will see a small icon in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking on the Details icon displays a link list. From there, I can display the original document or branch to further links. My second example is a sales order process. If you enter the number of a sales order in the field Sales document, the complete logistic process is shown under Operational Document Flow. It starts with the sales order, followed by the delivery and the goods issue. Then we create the customer invoice. The context between a logistics document and the corresponding FI documents can be seen from the blue frame around the corresponding documents. In the lower half of the screen, the GL document flow is displayed. The last document in this row is the incoming payment from our customer, which marks the end of the sales order process. It is shown only in the GL document flow. Finally, I recommend you try this great Fiori app by yourself.